So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to make popcorn, guys. If today is your first time of joining my video, you are highly welcome to Dora Kitchen. In here we showcase a lot of homemade recipe. So let's get started with today's video. In here we have our popcorn, our sugar, and our groundnut oil. I'll be using, some people use butter, but I prefer using groundnut oil, guys. So let's get started with our video. Don't know if you guys have seen it very well. First of all, we have to wait for the pot to dry. There is a little water inside the pot. So guys, the water is dried enough. I hope you guys are seeing this thing. I don't want to make a mistake. Now it's time to add in our groundnut oil. Just a little groundnut oil. You can see it, guys. I hope you are seeing it very well now. A little groundnut oil, then make sure you lower your light. We have already heating our oil, so you add in your corn first. Before you start to make this popcorn, make sure you select this corn because some have stone inside, so you have to select the corn first, guys. Immediately you put your corn, you start stirring so that it will not get burnt. Make sure you continue stirring it. If you like, you can add in your salt to taste, but I'm using only sugar, guys. Make sure you continue stirring your popcorn. This popcorn, if you make your own popcorn, guys, you will use it and chill at home and watch that Netflix that you want to watch, guys. You continue stirring on your low heat so that the corn will not burn. Mommy, take because I'm doing something. Continue stirring it. Immediately you notice there is one corn that's pop. You can see it, guys. You add in your sugar. You add in your sugar, you stir it again. You can see that you stir very well. After stirring it, you cover your pot, guys. I don't know if this one is okay. You cover it, guys. You cover and wait for some minutes. After a little while, you shake the pot very well. You shake it very well, guys. After shaking, you just leave your corn. You'll be hearing pom pom pom. So guys, as you can see, the popcorn is coming out very. It's coming out very well. To make popcorn is very easy and simple. You can just buy a lot of corn. Corn for the. Shake it again, guys, so that the corn will not burn. The reason why I'm shaking this thing is for the popcorn not to burn, not to get burnt, guys. Because you know this sugar allow it to get burnt quickly, so I have to continue to shake it so that it's not burnt. Jesus, God Almighty! You can see our popcorn. To make popcorn is very simple and easy, guys. Just make sure you get your popcorn, your sugar, and your groundnut oil. I think our popcorn is ready, guys. So guys, you can see the outcome. You can see the outcome is still popping up, guys. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, comment, and share for more. Thank you so much once again. You can see to make popcorn is very easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting a lot of homemade recipe to come, guys. Come and join me and enjoy this popcorn with our Netflix movie. Bye.